Hi, I'm Conrad from Absolute Dental Lab. I'd like to give you a little bit more information about a very innovative technology by Dentsply Sirona implants called Angulated Screw Access. Atlantis Custom Base is a solution that allows us to restore single units with a screw-retained solution. Unfortunately, the screw access has always been a major concern restoring these patients. When we combined ASA, Angulated Screw Access, with ACB, Atlantis Custom Base, we now have the ability to control the position of that screw access, allowing us to produce a very aesthetic and highly functional screw-retained crown. By utilizing a special driver, we can engage the screw at up to 30 degrees of angulation correction. This allows for screw-retained solutions even in those patients where it was once impossible. By simply plugging up the screw access with some posit, we now have a true screw-mentable solution utilizing these technologies. I am very confident this innovative technology will change the way you restore your patients. Click the link to download your protocol manual or visit us at absolutedentallab.com and allow my team and I to show you why perfection is not optional.